parents of Reddit, what secrets do you know about your teenager that they don't know you know? Found some very dirty stuff on my browser history after my daughter spent the night. She was 14, and also a Google search on how to delete history. She was unsuccessful. I was very disappointed about her lacking computer skills. My 14-year-old son has a huge stack of Korn DVDs hidden behind his Harry Potter collection on his bookshelf. Apparently he is really into mature lesbians. I've noticed my son, who is 14, goes into the bathroom every night after his sister goes to bed. I'm pretty sure it's his nightly masturbation. I'm not sure why he can't do it in his bedroom, but whatever, it's not like I'm going to ask him about it. But it's like clockwork. I tuck my daughter into bed, retire to my own bedroom, and I hear him go into the bathroom. Every night, when my son started getting wet dreams, he made a loincloth out of TP and duct tape to wear at night. It looked like a big silver diaper.